Hello, this is Rakesh Rao from DesignSense Software Technologies, and I'm pleased to announce to you that we have a dedicated CADPower demo set page now. You can find it in this URL here under theDesignSense.com, and in this page you can find a number of links which will allow you to download all the CADPower demo files command-wise. There's also a tooltip which explains what each command or what each drawing does, and this helps you to get you a quick understanding of the tool. In the download link, you can download the DWG file and any supporting data file that may be associated with it. For example, this one here, the INI file, CSV files, and so on. Now, if you look at these naming convention for these drawings, you can see that they are all numbered from 00 onwards. So 01, 02, 03. CP underscore layer area, CP underscore calc area, CP underscore TC. These are the different command names, and the category to which these command belongs is shown here in the first column, which is named as stream. In the last column, there is also a video link entry which has been made, but video links are not yet available on all the commands. So what is available for now are all these drawings and their supporting data files along with a quick tooltip which explains what it does. So you can browse through this. It covers different categories from general to AEC to manufacturing and so on. And you can see that we have collected for you about 39 demo samples which will help you to understand and test these features easily. So do give it a try. This is really a great resource for those who want to try some of the CADPower tools but did not have a suitable demo file until now. Thank you for watching this video, and do let me know if you have any questions.